How to create PDF file in Android phones. So you must be having Google Drive in your phone. So open Google Drive. After that, you need to click on this plus button and upload that file which you want to convert into a PDF file. You can take any Word file, Excel file, a PowerPoint file, or any image. So let me take this image. I will convert this JPG file into a PDF file in my Android phone. So this is the image which I will convert. I will open this image. I will click on these three dots. I will click on print. Herein you need to click on this download to PDF button, yellow button. You can choose any place where you want to download it. So let's go to download folder, click on save. So this file is now downloaded into a PDF format. So I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, you can hit on the like button